What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef Mercado. We back at it again with another video today, man. Today I'm gonna keep it short and simple. It's time to finally clean this engine bay up. I done had my car for a little bit over a year now, and not once have I cleaned the engine bay. I think this is one of the most overlooked sections of our cars. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around real quick, show y'all. I mean, it's not that grimy, it's not that bad, but it definitely needs to get clean. So I'm gonna show y'all how to clean your engine bay if it's not too filthy, with just a little bit of soap and water and this little handy dandy brush right here, man. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and you smash the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you drop a comment. Let me know exactly how you clean your engine bay and what you use, man. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's get it. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So like I said, all we gonna do, we gonna use this little brush right here real quick, and we gonna go ahead and knock some of this little excess dirt and debris off. It's gonna kind of help us as, yeah, it's actually working pretty good for the most part. Go ahead and get all of that knocked off just like that, man. Yeah, so our job should be pretty easy. Like I said, it's not that grimy, but it definitely needs to be clean. So I'm gonna actually, let me go ahead and I'm gonna actually put this thing up on a tripod so y'all can see me working. But as you can already tell, using this brush basically knocks off all the little excess dirt and grime, and then we just go spray this thing down. I filled this up, filled my little awesome bottle up with a little, I'm talking about just a tad bit of this soap, and this is warm water, and we got this old microfiber cloth that we gonna be using, man. So yeah. All right, y'all, so as stated before, we just go keep busting it down with this little brush like this real quick and get all of this little excess dust as much as possible off of this thing. This job is actually gonna be pretty easy for the most part. The dust is literally just coming right off. So this brush right here, soft bristle brush is really what's gonna help you get it all the way in. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, it's actually already starting to look a lot better. Now, don't too much worry about all of the dirt and the dust, especially if it wasn't as grimy as mine. Just get as much of it off as you can. So now we about to go ahead and take our spray bottle, and we just go ahead and go light. We go real light and try our best not to touch any of the actual electrical pieces in here. So remember, all we trying to do is just get this thing looking clean, and back to my bad, y'all. I'm over here trying to try to focus, try to get this thing looking back as close to when it was brand new as possible. So we got this sprayed down. I think I'm gonna start off with this section down here first. So let me go ahead and grab this cloth, and we just go bust it down like this, y'all. Old microfiber cloth. All right, man, so yes, let's check it out. It's looking real good. Y'all can see a big difference from how it first was. No more dirt, no more grime. For the most part, it's looking pretty clean. So yeah, that's all it takes. Nice little wipe down and get your bay back looking good. Yeah, so we looking real good right now. As you can see, everything is looking good for the most part. Like I said, it really don't take that much, especially if your engine bay is not too filthy. All we using literally is a little bit of soap, hot water. Make sure it's hot water. You don't want to put, cold water directly on your engine. But yeah, make sure it's hot or warm water, not too hot. Yeah, man. Get your engine bay looking back good. Now, all we're going to do now is focus on this top section up here that runs along the top. And we just go do a little bit more detailing, clean up here. And that's it, man. Alright, y'all, so that's pretty much it, man. We got this engine bay looking almost brand new again. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around real quick. As you can see, it's a world of a difference from when we first popped the hood open and showed y'all. Now, I'm gonna give y'all a few tips and pointers of what you can do to make it look a little bit better, but as you can see, it's pretty much on point. I'm gonna give it a solid B+ job, because there are certain places you can maybe use like a small toothbrush, or if you just want to really sit and take time, like places down in here, all of the small little crevices that you want to get into and kind of get that all that dirt and dust out of there. For the most part, it's all just depending on how you want to do it and what you want to do. But for the most part, we are pretty much all set to go. I got the top up here done all the way to the actual back along there. So yeah, man, solid. All right, y'all, and just like that, we go wrap this video up, man. If you stuck to the end of this video, I appreciate every single one of y'all. I know all my day one subscribers, they probably looking like something look different on this guy. Yeah, man, I had to go ahead and cut this beard down a little bit, man, so I could show these chunky cheeks, man. During this pandemic, I've been eating. I haven't been active as much as I want to, so I put on a little bit of weight, but it's a challenge to myself, man. My birthday is next month on June the 12th. I'm going to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, so I'm giving myself a little challenge. I'm going hard in the gym the next couple weeks. I'm trying to lose like 10 pounds, get my face back slim so I can look, look like how I used to look back in the day or whatever. But yeah, man, nice little challenge to myself, man. If y'all been sitting around, during this pandemic, put on a couple pounds, make sure y'all just go ahead and challenge yourself, get that weight off, get back healthy, man. Health is wealth. Health is wealth, man. But yeah, man, I just want to say thank you to all my day one subscribers. We almost at 5K. We still got that challenge going. Once we reach 5K, I will be giving out a roar pedal. I'm gonna keep y'all up to date. We about 400 subscribers away, so if you want to win that roar pedal, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you following me on the official Grim Runner Instagram page, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Y'all be blessed. Y'all stay safe out there, and I'll see y'all again with another one.